Now let's learn how to edit, copy, move or delete hyperlink from one location to another. Till now we had learned different ways of creating hyperlink. But during the course of creation of hyperlink, it might happen that whatever you had created is wrongly set hyperlink. In such case, how to edit a hyperlink? Suppose here in this case, I had created hyperlink for this particular text to this particular worksheet. But with this, I was to set hyperlink to a different worksheet like auto calculate. For that thing, select the cell, go to edit hyperlink. It is already there in since you had created the hyperlink. Go to a worksheet where you want to go for, it is auto calculate, and therein also suppose I want to go for cell A10. So A10 and from text to column to auto calculate. Herewith we have edited or changed all parts of hyperlink and click on OK. See, a new hyperlink is created. Now there is no link between text to column to earlier link. Click on this. This auto calculate will open for you. In the similar lines, suppose if you want to copy a link to another location, one way is directly select the cell, copy it and paste it where you want to have. Click on it. It is the same link which you had created earlier. If you want to delete the link, select the cell. One way is clear content. With this, it will delete the link with the content. Otherwise, suppose you want to delete only the link, you want to remove only the link, then click on remove hyperlink. Content will be in place as it is. Without disturbing the content, you had removed the hyperlink. Now there is no hand to indicate that you can click on it and get desired information. If you want to delete the text also, you can very well delete it by delete tab. Got it?